Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share 6 powerful study methods that can help you understand topic faster, remember information longer, and perform better in exams. Many students study for hours but still forget what they learned. The problem is not always hard work. Sometimes it's the study method. So today we talk about 6 effective study techniques. Feynman Technique, Blurting Method, flashcards, chunking, test our exams, practice, and memorizing. So let's start with the first method, Feynman Technique. The Feynman Technique is one of the best ways to truly understand a topic. This method has 3 simple steps. The first one is learn the topic carefully. Read your books, notes, or watch a lecture and try to understand the main idea. Second is teach the topic to someone else. It can be your friend, your sibling, or you can even pretend to teach an imaginary student. When you explain something, your brain processes the information more deeply. Let's take an example. If you are studying photosynthesis, try explaining it like this. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Third is check what you didn't understand. If you get stuck while explaining, go back to your notes and learn that part again. This method helps you identify gaps in your understanding. Second method is blurting method. The blurting method is very effective for testing your memory. First, read the topic carefully and understand it. Then close your book and write everything you remember about that topic on paper without looking at your notes. This is called blurting because you write everything that comes to your mind quickly. For example, if you study the causes of World War I, close the book and write all the causes you remember. After that, compare your answer with your notes and see what you missed. Then study those missing points again. Repeat the process until you remember most of the information. This method improves active recall, which helps long-term memory. Third method is flashcards. Flashcards are very useful for memorizing terms, definitions, and short concepts. Take small cards. On one side, write a question, keyword, a term, and the other side, write the definition or answer. For example, front side, you write digital divide, and the other side, you write the gap between people who have access to digital technology and those who do not. Then review the cards regularly and test yourself. Flashcards are especially helpful for languages, science terms, and exam preparation. Fourth method is chunking method. Chunking means breaking a large topic into smaller parts. Sometimes students feel overwhelmed because a topic is very long. Chunking makes learning easier. Let's take an example. If you are studying human digestive system, divide it into small sections like mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Study one small part at a time. After learning each part, combine them together to understand the whole system. Chunking helps your brain process information more easily. The fifth one is test or exam practice. One of the best ways to prepare for exam is by taking practice test. First, create a mock test using questions from your book or past paper. Second, answer the question without looking at your notes. Third, check your answer and identify mistakes. For example, if you get a question wrong about digital literacy, go back and study that concept again. Practice tests help you become familiar with exam patterns and reduce exam anxiety. And 6 is memorizing method. Memorizing is useful for information that must be remembered exactly. The process is simple. First, read the information several times. Second, say it aloud repeatedly. Third, write it down from memory. For example, if you need to remember a definition or formula, repeat it many times until it becomes part of your memory. However, memorizing works best when combined with understanding. So, if we conclude it, these 6 powerful study methods are Feynman Technique, Blurting Method, flashcards, chunking, test practice, and memorizing. If you use these techniques regularly, you will study more effectively and remember information for a longer time. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.